Hello there, this is Simon, otherwise known as Gunpla UK, and this is the second work in progress for the RGZ93C ReZEL Type C Defensor AB unit. The last part, of course, I fully assembled the kit, and this is going to be a bit of a short one this time because what I've really done since is I've started doing some seam line removal here on these weapons. There's an absolutely gargantuan line travelling all the way along the length of this weapon, which I'm currently filling and sanding, trying to get rid of this seam line. Just using a combination of Mr. Surfacer 500, which is very nice, and some various grits of sandpaper, and one of these very handy sanding blocks, which are available through my website if you're interested in purchasing some sanding blocks. And I've just gone ahead and done a hell of a lot of priming for mostly, or nearly all of the backpack parts. I just have these missile pods to go next. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over all of these parts that I have primed, just using those L-clad grey primer and microfiller, and I'm going to wet sand all of these parts to make them as lovely and smooth as possible, and to prepare them for a base coat of paint. And now for the grey parts for the weapons, I'm mostly going to be using dark grey. That's for mostly inner frame parts and weapons. I'll also be using sort of the odd gun chrome here and there just to bring out some detail, and a bit of black, I think, for the tubing parts that go on these very long weapons. And we'll be adding some detail parts with some metallic enamels. For the main colour scheme itself, I've been giving this a lot of thought over the past few days, and I wanted to do something that's going to use more darker tones. So I'm going to go with these very dark blues. And they are Mr. Colour 14 Navy Blue, Mr. Colour 40th Anniversary Previous Blue. It's a lovely kind of deep, rich, dark blue. And I'm going to use Air Superiority Blue here. Now, these two colours are going to be the contrast parts between the white and the beige. For instance, here on the legs. So maybe this part will be the previous blue, and these will be navy blue. And the orange parts will be this Air Superiority Blue. And fingers crossed that's going to work. I'm going to trial this combination of colours first on the Defensor B parts of the backpack. So obviously the final model I'm going to be doing the Defensor A with these missile pods. Now I thought that it's going to be quite dull is not the word. It's not going to be very interesting if I just use these colours. I feel like I want to do a little bit more. Decals will be nice to add a few details to it, and of course I'll be adding some detail painting with some enamels. So I thought I'll have a look at what I can do masking wise. So I have here a very interesting masking template here from Galaxy Tools. Now that has a kind of various sizes of stars here, hexa patterns here. In the reverse we have lots of teeny tiny squares for digital camo. I mean, I did consider digital camo for a while, but I just feel like it's been done too much, and I'd rather do something that's a bit different, a bit new. So I'm considering using some stars In what manner I'm not sure of yet. I have to test out a few different ideas and see how that works. So that's more or less it for this second work in progress. Not much has happened, of course, but in the next video I should have laid down some base paints and maybe trialled out some of these star pattern masking patterns here. This is also available on my website. Head to gundamuk.com and have a look in the shop. You'll find these masking templates. I've not used these yet, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. So, thank you for watching for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.